Hello students, in the previous lecture we have seen the reactions of metal with oxygen and the reactions of metal with water. Just for a quick recap, metal reacts with oxygen to form their corresponding oxide like the rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver or rusting of copper, and metal reacts with water and liberates hydrogen gas out of it. And today we will see the reactions of non-metal with oxygen. Non-metal reacts with oxygen to produce non-metallic oxide. Like in the case of metal, metal reacts with oxygen to form metallic oxides, but here non-metal reacts with oxygen to form non-metallic oxide, and these non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. We have the example of sulfur. Sulfur reacts with oxygen producing sulfur dioxide. This is our sulfur, it reacts with oxygen and forms sulfur dioxide. And this sulfur dioxide on further reacting with water gives us sulfuric acid. So this was one of the example of reaction of non-metal with oxygen. Now reactions of non-metal with water. There in the case of metals were reacting with oxygen, metals were reacting with water and liberating hydrogen gas out of them. But here non-metals don't react with water. Non-metals don't react with water, but they are very reactive in air. Non-metals don't react in water. They don't react with water, but they are very reactive in air. So non-metals are kept in water, due to which they are stored in water. They are kept in water, they are stored in water to prevent their reaction from air. Phosphorus is a very reactive metal, one of the very reactive non-metals, and it is stored in water because if it catches fire when it is exposed to oxygen. So to prevent it from reacting with oxygen, it is kept in water. So guys, that was all about today. Thank you.